Hello everyone. Today I'm making drink for respiratory system, how you can treat cough naturally. Okay, if you are experiencing cough, flu, any type of cough, either strong cough or hard one. So this remedy is very good for you, okay? All you need is to get a small purple onion. You have to peel it and rinse it and half tablespoon of honey. That is all you need for this recipe, okay? Onion have so many antioxidants and it help regulate blood sugar level. It's also loaded with nutrients and is a great source of vitamin C. So onion, it also help digestive health, okay? Onion is very good. It has so many vitamins. So all you have to do is to peel off the onion, rinse it, then chop it into smaller portion. Add it into the blender and add just a little water to blend so that it can come out. Then you add half tablespoon of honey and mix it very well. This remedy is very good for dry cough. For dry cough or strong one, any type of cough, this is very good, and it will also help you to get enough sleep. Okay, onion is very good. It will help you get enough sleep. So this is a very simple remedy. Anyone can do it at home. This is pure natural remedy. Anyone can do it to get rid of cough. If you have been experiencing cough and you're looking for a way to treat it, this is very good. Very good. Just follow the procedure on the video. You will get it right and you're good to go. All you have to take here is 3 tablespoons. In the morning on an empty stomach, you take 3 tablespoons. Then afternoon, the same thing, and at night, you take 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons morning, afternoon, and night. For 2 days, you will get yourself. So please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see more of our posts. Thank you and always remain blessed.